Hello everyone, welcome back to 21 Trim Haircare Studio with me, Mara. On today's session of the Haircare Studio, stay with us to the end of this video to learn how to do high fade drop skin and an unknown top. Let's go! Yeniko! Before you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post all notifications for more updates. Like and share to friends, and most especially those who are interested in learning how to barber. Don't forget to drop your comment as well. This is always our step number 1. Where we wet the hair, we comb and brush the hair. The reason for this is for us to get the hair pattern better. Our step number 2 is the use of fully closed clipper to create a balding. We start from the left side to the right side. We make sure it is clean and straight as well. On to our step number 3 is the use of trimmer to clean our balding that we've created already. We open our clipper fully to create our first guideline and classify that as our step number 4. With one guard fully open clipper, we go to our step number 5. We make sure it follows the same pattern from the 0.5 to the 1. On our step number 6, we use 2.0 guard with fully closed clipper to go against the pattern. This is to cause a transition from the unknown top to the one that we've created already. We introduce 1.5 to cause the transition between the 2 and the one that we've created with the unknown top. On our step number 7, we introduce 1 guard and 0.5 guard to clean our second guard line, just like what we are doing. On to our step number 8, We close clipper fully and we use flake out method to clean our first guideline. Always remember we start from the left to the right side. Flake out method is when we hit beneath the guideline onto the guideline. Our main aim for the use of flake out method is to make sure we clean all guidelines to make our transitions very clear. This was yeah, they say yeah, you already running the hospital back in the day, pulling my legs, kick from the base, 10 of the ladies are crashing away. But still convinced our bigger from home, what you imagine, I came from. I love Chris Rich. On our step number 9, we make sure we dress the edges and the top of the hair to balance to the length of the hair the client requested, though we know the top to be unknown. You go on rough streets in Achia, get your league beef for a few years. Since I said, yes, I am a woman, they coach because when you be a media, that from a second school, Christian, my dad from one family, Copenhagen, test here. We paid for attention, but moving artists, many were one to be a media. With our step number 10, we use our trimmer to do our lineup. We make sure always to start from the middle to the edges. On our step number 11, we introduce our straight razor to make our lineup crispy. With the introduction of the straight razor, always make sure you ask client on previous acnes before you use it. So next time you say my name, can you put some respect on this? You better check yourself. So guys, thank you all for watching our video. Continue.
We'll see you when we see you.